Yeah, it's streaming, Manju. So it's. Can you also check here?
Okay, sure.
So sorry guys, it was some issue. So now it should be working fine. So as I said last week, Nifty was at 15,200. Okay, 15,200 was the resistance, and this support is 15,000. You can see here it's moving at this range. So for this week also we can consider this is a strong support. 15,000 is a strong support. So if it break this support, right, we can expect downwards till 14,800, and the maximum downwards level we can expect is 14,739. Okay, so that is the next downtrend. If it break this 15,000, 14,864 can also reach to 14,730. So that's in downtrend levels. On the uptrend, if it breaks 15,200 levels once again, so we can expect Nifty moving towards 15,300, 350, 400. The maximum is 15,500. So let's look at the OI data. Okay, so OI data is, you can see here, OI data 15,200. Okay, as I told, if it break this, we can expect maximum is 15,500 in this week. So that's an trend which is showing in the OI data. On the downtrend, if it break this 15,000 is a support here. If it break, we can see further fall till 14,750 levels. So even the OI data is also showing the same. So it's very easy, guys. So you can just always look at the OI data. It shows very clear picture where the people are standing and where the column, what the mindset of Nifty that's going to move on. Okay, so the Nifty traders always need to keep a watch on option OI data. Okay, so that's the reason we're sharing this OI data as well. Okay, let's look at the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty from last week, so as I told, it's moving this range 36,600 till 35,600 levels. So it's moving in this range. So if it break this range, we can see further move. We can expect the maximum uptrend on Bank Nifty is 37,000. Okay, so that's an uptrend. On the downtrend, if it falls below this 35,500, we can expect 35,000, and also can reach to 35,800, and the maximum is 34,500. Why I'm mentioning 34,500? So if you look at the OI data, okay, so it's a strong support here in the OI data, and the resistance is 26,500. So if it break this, we can, just a minute, let me disconnect this call. Okay, so if it break this 36,500, we can expect maximum uptrend till 37,000. On the downtrend, if it break this 35,500 levels, right, we can expect 35,000 can also reach to 34,500. So that's a view on weekly index on Bank Nifty and Nifty, guys. So if you have any queries and if you like our views, you can share and comment. Okay, so let's look at the stocks for intraday. So before that, this is our training program. So we are going to start a new batch on 28th February. If you guys are interested, can contact me. So it's purely on price action concept, and also we are going to teach you how to trade about option trading. Okay, so and it will be 1 month support and 1 month training. So if you guys are interested, can contact me on my Telegram ID Hemant at 369. So note down, the Telegram ID is Hemant at 369. So let's look at the stocks for tomorrow. So Reliance current resistance is 2060 and the support is 2015. Okay, so if it break this the support 2015, we can expect Reliance moving towards 1974. So that's in support for now, and if it break this resistance we can expect 210. So that's in level which I'm expecting tomorrow on Reliance. So let's look at the Apollo Hospital. The current resistance for Apollo Hospital is 207.62. Okay, so it's at this range. If it break, we can expect Apollo Hospital reaching towards 285, can also reach to 2800, sorry, 2800, can also reach to 2835. Okay, so that's a next level on the uptrend. On the downtrend, if it fails to hold this 2720, we can see Apollo reaching 2678. If it break this support, we can see a more profit booking on Apollo Hospital, because it was holding at this level. So if it break this 2687, we can see further fall. Let's look at the next stock. Bajaj Auto. So Bajaj Auto current resistance is 4150. So if it break this, right, we can see it can reach to 4181, can also reach to 4200. So that's in range which I'm looking on Bajaj Auto on the uptrend. On the downtrend, if it fails to hold this 4110, can easily reach 4077 and also reach to 4000 levels. So that's a level on the downtrend for Bajaj Auto. So let's look at the Tata Steel. So Tata Steel, the current resistance is 692. Okay, if it breaks, we can see again it can reach to 700, can also reach to 712. Okay, so that's an uptrend. On the downtrend, if it fails to hold 674, can reach to 664 levels. So I'm done with our intraday stocks and weekly view on Bank Nifty and Nifty. So if you guys have any queries, let's look at your queries. Okay, so hi Manju.
Uh, Hemant, one of the user has pinged Shailendra. He is asking any idea on BL and Cipla.
Okay, let me share the screen.
And for Vikas, I think Vikas, he had asked for Bank Nifty, and we have already shared it.
Okay.
So now only is in BL and Cipla.
So I've shared the Telegram's trading view screen. So let's look at the user queries. Okay, so note down guys, we are just sharing the technical view. It doesn't mean that you need to trade on this level. So if you are trading, please contact your finance advisor. It's just a technical view. So Manju, it was BHEL.
BL.
Okay.
BL and Cipla.
Okay. So BL, so it's moving on the uptrend. Okay, you can see here it is on the uptrend. So for now, if you look at the weekly also, it's an uptrend. Okay, it has moved from 60 levels, okay, 60 58 levels, and now it is at 136 levels. Okay, so if it break this high, okay, we can further see a still upward movement. Okay, we can also expect if it break this 143 45 levels, we can expect it can reach to the levels at this 155. You can also reach to 164. So if you are holding, you can just follow this trend line. If it tries to break this, okay, if it tries to break this 122, it's good to book profit. So or 117 till 22 levels, okay, this is a support for now. Till this you can hold. If it falls below this, better to book profit, okay, because we had seen a good rally here. So people may, if it falls below this, people sure going to book profit, okay. So uptrend, what we can expect, if it break 145, you can expect 155, can also reach to 164. So it's not for intraday, it is for the long term, okay. So next one is Cipla.
Cipla.
So pharma is still performing well. There is no issue with the pharma, and Cipla stock is also performing well. So if you are holding Cipla, right, we can follow this trend line. If it falls below this, okay, 800 levels, okay, if it falls below this 800 levels, better to exit, okay, as per the daily time frame, okay. So that's in support for now, 800. That's a long term, okay. For the short term, the support is 840 levels, okay. So 840 can also be 830 levels. 840 to 830 levels is the support for now, okay. So if it break this on the intraday, it can reach till this trend line, till this 800 levels. And the downtrend, if it fails to hold 800, we can expect till 719 levels. So that's a level on Cipla. So next query, Manju.
I don't see any further queries, Hemant.
Okay. Amar Raja.
1 minute.
Amar Raja, I believe.
Yeah, one more for Amara Raja battery for long term. Battery stocks should perform well because of this electrical vehicles.
So even we were discussing the same in our premium group.
Yeah. Yeah, just open Amara Raja. We'll see.
Amar Raja has become Raja now. So so it's an uptrend, okay. It's just following this trend line. So you can try to enter at this level. If you get a chance to enter at 884, okay, that's an entry. And the support should be till here. 780 is the support. Okay. If it fails to hold this trend line, we can expect further fall till here. And we can still see there is lot of potential. It can reach to 1000 plus levels in few days, okay. There is no doubt. So I think it has already reached 52 weeks high. So if it break this 1031 levels, right, we can see good upward move still, okay. So we need to look the OI data, where the people are standing. So let's look at the OI data. So we can expect till 1100 levels if it breaks this 1037. So that is only for the short term, but it's a good stock. I mean, for long term, if you get a chance when it dips, right, we can add on. So that's the view what we can say. So I don't think so it's going to, we'll see any fall here. So it's following this trend line. Okay, till it's hold this trend line, we can keep on adding it. So that's a view on Hamar Raja battery. So any other queries, Manju?
No,
No.
that was the last query.
So thank you guys for watching our chart traders channel. So if you like our weekly views, please comment, share our video. See you on the next week video. Okay.